Hello everyone, welcome to Red9SysTech. Today we are going to look at one of the interesting topic in discussing about continue statement in Java. So in Java, continue is a keyword, and in this video we are going to look deeper into that. So what is a continue keyword? So continue is a keyword which looks like similar to a break. In our previous video we have seen about what is a break statement and how it actually works and what is the use case. And here the continue is similar to a break, but actually it stops only the execution of the current statement and actually returns to the next iteration. So break actually comes out of the existing loop, but if you look into the continue, it actually stops the current statement, but actually it comes back to the next iteration. So similarly, is of break, we can also use continue in these loops like for loop, while loop, and do while loop. In this video, I have written a sample program where I would like to explain about how it actually works. So this is the main program in which I have a for loop. So basically here I have like for int I equal to 0, I less than 5, I plus plus. So basically this loop runs for like 5 times, right? Wherein like if I'm checking like if the value of I is equal to 3, then I'm continue. So let me go and execute this program, and then I will explain from the program output. Okay, if you guys see here, we got output saying I value is 0, 1, 2, 4. We are missing the value 3. The reason is that when the value of I equal to 3, it is continue, right? So meaning that it is not going to execute the next statement. It is going to come out of the current statement, and it is actually coming to the next iteration. That is why this line was not executed when the value of I equal to 3. Similarly, in the while statement, when let's say int a equal to 5, while a equal to a greater than 0, meaning that like this loop will run when like a is always greater than 0, right? So inside I'm decrementing the value of a minus minus, and here if a equal to 2, continue. So meaning that whenever the value of a equal to 2, then this is not going to execute this particular piece of code, because when the value of a equal to 2, then it is going to come out of this current execution, then it is going to iterate to the next loop. So that is why if you guys see here inside while loop 4, 3, then 2 is missing, right? And then 1 and 0 is coming there. So when the value of a equal to 2, it was not printed this one. Now let's go on to the do while, right? So it is also same as you guys see in our previous video, the difference between while and do while. So here also int b equal to 5. In do statement, I'm decrementing the b value, and if b equal to 2, then I want to put a continue statement, meaning that whenever the value of b equal to 2, then this is not going to inside this do print statement. If you guys see here inside do 4, 3, the 2 is missing. The reason is that when the value of b equal to 2, it is not executing this particular piece of line, right? Meaning like it is coming out of the current execution, current statement, and it is going to start with a new iteration. So the new iteration starts, meaning like it went to the while loop. So this is how actually continue statement continue keyword works. So continue is a keyword. If you guys see here, you can see in a different color in Eclipse. So it means like it's a keyword in Java, and it is similar to break, but the only difference is that break actually comes out of that current loop, current enclosed loop, and in terms of continue, it comes out of it won't execute the upcoming or further statements. It is coming out of the current execution statement, and it actually the control returns to the next execution point, which is like a next iteration. So this is all about continue and break. Hope you guys understand the concept, and I will share this source code in our video description. Please take it and play around in your Eclipse and see how it goes. And if you guys have any error or issue or anything, if you try to understand more in detail about this, please post your comments in the comment section. You will get answered in a timely manner. And if you guys like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and also hit the notification button so that like you won't miss any new videos. And also if you guys haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe it and also share it with your friends. I will see you in the next interesting video, guys. Until then, bye bye.